Sak passe, it's your girl Bena, aka Brianna, and I'm here to show you guys how to make fried turkey wings. Alright, so let's get right into it. So I got these turkey wings from the Amish market. I got about 3 turkey wings and I cut them up. Right here you see me cleaning my turkey wings with some lime. Get you about 3 limes, cut them up real good. Really squeeze that lime juice all over the turkey wings. Give each piece of meat TLC because you really want, this is an important step. All the steps are important, but this is important. You really have to make sure your meat is clean before we do anything. So make sure each piece of meat is getting special attention. Okay? Then I go in with my vinegar. I go ahead and pour that all over my meat. I would say maybe I poured in about 1.5 cups. It looks like 1.5 cups. Pour some vinegar in there. Then I go ahead and sprinkle some salt all over the meat, on each piece of meat. A good amount, just a good amount of salt. Don't worry, this is just the cleaning solution. This is not, my turkey wings are not going to be salty. Your turkey wings are not going to be salty. This is just the cleaning solution. All this is going to get rinsed off and we'll be good to go. After that, I'm going to go in with some boiling water that I had on the kettle. And I'm going to let that sit for about a minute or 2. After that time is up, I go ahead and pour all that water out. Pour it all out, rinse my bowl. Then I'm gonna go ahead and actually rinse the meat before I put the meat back into the bowl. Again, each piece of meat gets some TLC. And be okay. So now my meat is ready to be seasoned. Meat is clean. Now I have my A-piece. If you guys want to learn how to make A-piece, I have a video on that as well. It will be tagged in the description box below. So I go ahead and pour 2 full spoons of A-piece. Actually, in the video, I poured 2 spoons. I ended up going back and putting more because these turkey wings are large. The 2 spoons was not enough, honey. So I trusted my ancestors. They said put some more, so that's what I did. Can't go wrong with A-piece, my friend. You cannot go wrong with A-piece. And I end up going from wearing a glove to using this spoon to then discarding the spoon and using my hands because it was not working out for me. So here I have my Maggie. So Haitian people, we call it Maggie. I know that's the name of the brand. I think the actual name of that specific type of Maggie is bouillon, but child, don't quote me now. I just call it Maggie. So I just go ahead and I have 2 of those. Break those, crush those up all over my turkey meat. Now you see me here with my hands because that spoon was for play. Next, I go in with some adobo. After that, I go in with my seasoned salt. I don't know why I went back to pick up that spoon, child. Lord. But yeah, so just make sure that once you put your seasoning, you just want to mix it up. Just mix. Make sure, make sure the flavor is all there on everywhere. Just evenly distributed, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm just mixing it around. So I actually pan-seared it before I went ahead and started boiling it. But go ahead and make sure your meat is boiled. After it's boiled, go ahead and separate it. That's the sauce that was left over. That's what I'm going to save. So I'm going to strain all that out because I really want those juices, that's gonna make my sauce for later. So I'm gonna strain that out and we're gonna put that sauce to the side. We're gonna come back to you. Anything that was left in the strainer, I just go ahead and discard it. If there's like turkey pieces in the strainer, I go ahead and take those if they're big enough, because you know no meat gets left behind. We want all the meat, okay? So if you have any meat in there, go ahead and save it. But other than that, everything else can go in the trash. What we want is that sauce that's dripping down at the bottom. Yes, you see that? That is gonna be our sauce. I have my frying pan on sizzle. Like it was too hot, way too hot. Y'all gonna see in a second, because y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Go ahead and turn it down. Turn that thing down to about a 5, level 5, level 4. Turn it down. Too hot, way too hot. So once I got it down, then I started frying my turkey wings, because all them pops, no honey, no ma'am. Once your turkey wings are nice and golden to your liking, go ahead and take them out. So now we're moving on back to our sauce. I went ahead and poured that in a pot. I grabbed my tomato puree. So normally I use tomato paste, but tomato paste is a little bit thick. They're just different consistencies. I didn't want it as thick, so I got the puree. If you do have the paste, no worries. You would just have to balance it out with water. No big deal. But I went ahead and threw some onions in there, some peppers, went ahead and mixed that in. Let that simmer down to my liking. Here we have our completed fried turkey wings ready to eat. This is a clip of Friendsgiving. This is what I made the turkey wings for. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.